For more than a decade, Big Ed has been a member of the iconic show 90 Day Fiance. He made his first appearance on the show with his then-girlfriend, Rose Vega, in the third season. Big Ed recently celebrated Mother's Day with his beautiful mother, Norma. As the star is very close to his mother and shares every single detail of his life, Norma and Big Ed are currently living in San Diego together. When Big Ed was facing a lot of criticisms following his toxic relationship with Rose Vega and he was in search of a new life partner, Big Ed's mother was very supportive towards him and helped him reduce some of his stress. In the past year, Norma had faced several losses and issues as she had lost her home and boyfriend and was hit by a car. Reacting to this, Big Ed quickly arranged a condo to share with his mother. Many viewers and show fans praised the reality television star for his supportive behavior and love towards his mother. Even though Big Ed has been unsuccessful in his relationships, his bond with his mother is powerful and infinite. Celebrating the Mother's Day occasion, Big Ed posted some heartfelt messages about his mother on Instagram along with a photo of him and Norma sipping wine together. Many fans of the famous star also commented on some messages to him and his mother via Instagram post. Big Ed also commented on his ex-girlfriend's post, Rose Vega, praising her for being a single mother and her parenting skills. This had been a game-changing act for the star, as many fans and show viewers instantly followed him for his good intentions and way of thinking. However, Big Ed can solve the messy relationship between him and his current girlfriend, Liz, and have a great family and his mom, Norma.